What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and we are back with another hair transformation. We will be installing Curlkalon's Toni crochet hair in the shade Tricolor. Are you guys ready for it? Because sis, you know I am. I'm ready. First, we'll start off with the perimeter of the hair. What I like to do is take the hair and install it very closely to each other. And I like to do that because it gives off the illusion of fullness without using all of the hair. When installing crochet hair, you're supposed to at least separate it by one finger, but when it comes to the outside of the hair, I like to install it very close because in the middle we will be using that technique, but you guys will see it throughout this video. And with summer coming to an end, you might want to go ahead and use my code BDavis30 for 30% off your Curlkalon hair, because you're going to need some protective styles during this fall and winter season. So you might want to go ahead and use that code now. We're just going to finish installing the hair around the perimeter like so, and now we're going to work in the middle. We're going to begin to separate the hair by 2 fingers, and I like using this technique because it eliminates using all of the hair. So just in case you have any hiccups and get a little scissor happy, you can always reach back in and install some more hair. That's what I like to do. That's just my little safe cushion, you know. I will not show the separation part because you guys know how to separate some Curlkalon hair. I don't have to show you guys how to do that. You see, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't pretend to be. I don't claim to be. You know, I'm just a girl with some scissors, and we're going to see what happens. And that's just my motto. I just keep cutting until I see what happens. Sometimes a hit, most of the time it's a miss, but that's why we always have extra hair laid out, because you never know. So continue to cut until you achieve your desired style. And it's time to reveal the look. Oh, yes, I'm loving this hair. Now, of course, you know we need to fluff it out. So we got to pull some hair, you know, do some final adjustments, but this pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys are interested in seeing more tutorials like this, go ahead and give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to use my code BDavis30 to receive 30% off your Curlkalon hair. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine, bye bye.